After solution, we are able to install Windows on our hard drive. Required tips. Hello viewers, today we will discuss an error which is sometimes faced when we try to install Windows. Error is displaying on the screen. First of all, we boot from USB or DVD drive. After booting, Windows will start loading and setup will started. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click the bell button. Here we select the Windows version which we want to install. Here, we see partitions of our hard disk drive. But, when we try to install Windows, there comes an error. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. We will try to find out solution to this error. First of all, close this window by clicking on Close button. And Setup Startup screen will shown here. Here, press Ctrl plus F10. Command line will open here. Type disk part and press Enter. Type list and press Enter. Then, type list disk and press Enter. Here, disk 0 is our hard disk, and disk 1 is our bootable USB drive. So we will select disk 0 by applying command. Type select disk 0 and press Enter. Disk 0 is now the selected disk. Type clean. Press Enter. And wait for some moments. Disk part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now we have to convert our partition to MBR partition style. So we will apply a command to convert it. Type convert MBR. And press Enter. Disk part successfully converted the selected disk to MBR format. Now, close command line window. Click Install now. Choose Windows version. And accept agreement. Now create partition to install Windows. Format it. And click Next. Windows is installing. Thanks for watching.